Hey guys, I'm reviewing this vacuum for the autos, which is called Black & Decker vacuum, and let's just open it up really quick and see how it is, the vacuum. Okay guys, so basically this is the vacuum and it has all these accessories. As you can see, this is the cap, the fitment for the aspiration. Goes like this, on like that, boom. And this is the vacuum. As you can see, has a very good handling here. And the only thing I would like you to show you here is that you have this thing for your car. So basically this is the plug for your car. I would like it to have like an adapter or something, but it doesn't have one. So basically if you want to use it also at your home, you can easily buy an adapter which will cost you very low. So this is the vacuum, very good quality. Everything from this brand, Black & Decker, they have very good quality. I'm just gonna show you a close-up look to the product, and as you can see, it's plastic, but it's a very good quality made.